Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know, if you haven't seen my two previous videos, booyah, we've done it! Breakthrough! We have created a way to visually develop an algorithm, a model, a strategy into using Matlab Simulink and then being able to code generate it into C++ and or HDL for FPGA. So that is the fastest way to deploy FPGA high frequency trading strategies with FPGA. Just do the searches for it. This is a big day. I'm very excited. I'm patting myself on the back. I just want to show you how much I am very excited by this. Where do we go from here? Today is December 12th. Yes, December 12th. What does that mean? I have set January 14th, 2013, the day that the Quant Labs premium membership will be going up 50%. That is correct. Why are we doing it? Never had a price increase. The amount of research I put into this for the last year and a half, Daddy needs to get paid finally. I've got so many videos and content that I put up there online. I've got over 200-300 videos on YouTube alone. So it seems to be only fair to get everything, you know, to make my life a lot easier so that I can go from minimum wage to eating from hot dogs to hot dogs with ketchup, that kind of move. But this step is what I've been looking for the last year. I tried to do it through R, with RCPP, fail, through Linux, fail. I've tried to use a lot of the open source trading platforms. I'm not saying they're failure. It's just a lot of pain you go through when you have to look at other people's code and try to figure it all out and blah, 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 blah. Other people can do that. I'm not going to do that. I don't have the time, and nor do I have the patience, regardless of how big the community is. So with this methodology, what you do is essentially you build your model visually. So if you're not a programmer, that's okay. So that you can deploy it right onto an FPGA board, but this costs money. Secondly, if that's not an option, you can go to C++ or C and drop it into a platform of your choice, or what I'm building, the building blocks that I'm piecing together. And that is a very good way to do that is through the, I've shown that Interactive Brokers, TWS API client through the socket, so that's a good choice. I'm probably going to go that route. I've also been approached by the author of Fix8, which is trying to be one step above Quick Fix, so I might be able to use the Quick Fix or the Fix8 or some other. I've also seen some webinars that MathWorks uses to show a complete end-to-end algorithm-based system using Fix and another Java platform for the Fix. So there's a number of options I have at my disposal, but the core that I've been searching for, I guess you could call it the pot of gold, or the Holy Grail, is exactly what I've found as of today. I just wanted to code up MATLAB M scripts and convert them into C++. I've gone not one step, but two steps beyond that. I can, as I said, visually develop my model in Simulink and export, as I said, to C++ and HDL for FPGA. That's powerful. Now, everyone goes on about MATLAB being slow. That's why you go FPGA, because it's the fastest way you can do high-frequency trading. All the high-frequency shops do it. That's the modern way of doing it, and right now there's nothing else as fast. And the cool thing about it, I'm sure MathWorks are very smart. Whatever trends come down the line, they'll be on it so that you can take your same model and export to whatever the next generation of trading there'll be. Now the funny thing is, I only found one Simulink model out there for trading purposes. The Simulink is very powerful. It has the same logic as what it was built for engineering, for mechanical, for medical devices, you name it, but not for trading. We still have the signals, that's what part of Matlab is all, or trading is all about. Not only that, but you also have the real-time analysis. You can get that now with the state flow from within the world of Matlab or Simulink. Now, not only that, but you have very powerful simulation tools at your disposal to be able to generate and play with your Simulink models. Now, this is very, very powerful. So where does that leave us? For those that really can't afford the Matlab or the Simulink, that's okay. Because what I'm going to probably start deploying now is one of two ways. HDL ready code for both Verilog or for HDML, for if you go with the Xilinx or the Altera boards. But again, they're very expensive. We can get cheaper boards. I haven't investigated that yet, but I will pursue it, believe me. Or you can still use the C++ code that I'm going to generate, and all that code is going to be put up on the membership. Now this code, if it works and it's profitable, it'll be very, very valuable. I'm sure you see I'm doing this a lot because I firmly believe that a lot of this code will be very valuable, especially for FPGA, ready to go. So that's all going to be done from within the world of Simulink. So because of that, I do expect other increases of the membership to move along throughout the year of 2013. As I keep saying, 25% of my membership are willing to pay over $125 per month for this type of development. Not only that, but I'll also be putting together lots of webinars and stuff only for my membership. So it's the end of 2012. It's very affordable. So if you're a student looking for a job, looking for ways to develop models, now's the time to get in. Now, this is the key. I have spent for the last year and a half looking for the different types of technology, figuring out what's the best way to rapidly develop models and strategies for trading purposes. That has now been accomplished thanks to Simulink and the power of what Simulink gives you. Forget all those third-party solutions out there. They're very expensive, but they don't do 1% of what Matlab can deliver. And what it can generate and what it can do. Just play with it, watch the webinars. It's such an amazing ecosystem to be part of. And you can also deploy it to Excel, you can deploy it to Java, .NET, as I said, FPGA and other with the Simulink, all kinds of different chipsets, and you can go crazy with it. But that's the power of it. So next year we'll be focusing a lot on now the advanced capabilities of HFT. I'm hoping to get maybe some kind of CUDA or an FPGA board and play with it, because I really firmly believe in FPGA as well as the C++. That is going to be my focus for 2013. And again, that's going to be very high-end type of information that you won't see me publicly go on about outside of just showing the results. So again, I'm not going to stress this any more than one last time. Get in on the action now before those rates kick in as of January 14th, 2014. You know what to do. I'm going to see you on the other side. Have a good one.